Hey guys, welcome back to another month. This month is space themed. I did this theme because space amazes me of how enormous it is and how small we are compared to the universe. Whenever I stargaze, I start thinking of the things humankind didn't discover yet. What lies in the darkness? If we travel in light years beyond what we could get to, what lies there? Fun fact, did you know that it takes a million Earth, to fit in the sun? And the sun is known as an average-sized star. So yeah, that gives you something to think about. The more you know, I guess. Let me know if you guys have these thoughts in your head and share them with me in the comment section down below. Anyway, let's get on with the video. I already went ahead and sketched everything as usual. I started off with a monthly spread, drew a calendar on the left and divided the right page into two columns. One is for personal dues and the other is my social dues. This gives me a clear overview of the things I have throughout the month. Next is my tracker spread. On the left page I did my habit tracker and on the right page my other trackers. If you guys watched my previous videos, I had a savings tracker and a workout tracker. This month I combined them with my mood and water consumption trackers. Moving on to the weekly spread, I did the layout vertically just to have more space to write down my to-do lists. Now we're on the last pages. So sorry guys, forgot to focus my camera on this part, but it will go back to normal in a minute. On the right, I designed the brain dump, and on the left, my daily journal cover. And that's it. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I love how this month turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.